As drone enthusiasts eagerly anticipate the CES 2025, rumors surrounding DJI's upcoming lineup have taken center stage. With the US ban lurking and potential releases such as the DJI Flip, Mini 5 Pro, Mavic 4 Pro, 4 Pro Cine, and DJI Air 4, the year promises groundbreaking advancements in drone technology. Here's a closer look at what each of these drones might offer. The DJI Flip is rumored to be DJI's most beginner-friendly drone yet, prioritizing portability and safety. Recent FCC filings confirm its readiness for the US market, fueling speculation about its imminent release. One standout feature is its integrated propeller guards, underscoring its design for casual users and beginners. These guards offer protection for both the drone and its surroundings, making it ideal for indoor flights or navigating tight spaces. Unlike the more advanced FPV-centric DJI Neo, the Flip may rely on a traditional controller setup, focusing on simplicity rather than immersive experiences. Equipped with a 3,110 mAh battery, the Flip could deliver a flight time of 20 minutes or more, rivaling even mid-tier drones like the DJI Avata 2. This extended battery life, combined with a lightweight and portable design, could make the Flip a favorite among travelers and casual hobbyists. Its compact size might also introduce foldable arms or modular components for enhanced portability, making it easy to carry on outdoor adventures. Speculation suggests the Flip will bridge the gap between entry-level drones and mid-tier options. While its camera specifications remain under wraps, industry insiders hint at potential improvements over the DJI Neo, possibly including multi-axis stabilization or a higher-resolution sensor. The inclusion of automated flight modes, such as quick shots or follow-me capabilities, could further enhance its appeal to users looking for creativity without complexity. If these features materialize, the DJI Flip could redefine what an entry-level drone offers, appealing to a wide audience ranging from first-time users to semi-professionals. The DJI Mini series has long been synonymous with portability and accessibility, and the rumored Mini 5 Pro appears poised to continue this legacy. While specific details remain scarce, leaked images and insider reports suggest significant upgrades to its predecessor's capabilities. A key area of improvement could be the camera system. Speculation hints at a larger sensor, possibly a 1-inch variant, allowing for superior low-light performance and dynamic range. Enhanced video capabilities, such as 4K HDR at higher frame rates, are also expected, catering to content creators who demand professional-grade quality in a compact package. Advanced color grading profiles, such as D-Log or HDR10, might also be included, enabling more post-production flexibility for professionals. Battery life is another rumored highlight, with reports suggesting a longer flight time compared to the Mini 4 Pro. This improvement, coupled with the drone's lightweight design, could make it an ideal choice for photographers and travelers seeking extended sessions without frequent recharges. Additionally, faster charging technology might allow users to minimize downtime, enhancing the overall convenience of the Mini 5 Pro. The Mini 5 Pro's flight features might include improved obstacle avoidance and advanced tracking modes, leveraging AI-driven enhancements. Innovations such as subject recognition or gesture control could enable hands-free operation, making it easier for users to focus on creative tasks. If true, these upgrades would position the Mini 5 Pro as a versatile tool for both hobbyists and professionals looking for a portable yet capable drone. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro and Cine is shaping up to be a game-changer for professionals, with FCC filings revealing exciting details about this highly anticipated flagship model. Two variants, the L3A and L3B, have been identified, suggesting tailored features for different user segments. A key highlight is the upgraded 6,654 mAh battery, promising longer flight times compared to the Mavic 3 Pro. This enhancement could enable extended aerial sessions, crucial for tasks like filmmaking or surveying. Additionally, integrated LED beacons for improved visibility during night flights indicate a focus on safety and usability. The Mavic 4 Pro's camera system is generating significant buzz. Leaked images suggest a spherical camera module, potentially housing a multi-sensor system. This innovation could elevate image quality and stabilization, catering to filmmakers and photographers seeking unmatched aerial visuals. Speculation also points to an APS-C sensor, a leap from the Mavic 3's 4x3 setup, promising sharper resolution and superior performance in challenging lighting conditions. Additional features such as 10-bit video recording, variable aperture control, and enhanced zoom capabilities could further expand its appeal to professional users. Advanced flight modes and AI-driven capabilities are expected to take autonomous tracking and obstacle avoidance to new heights. These features could make the Mavic 4 Pro an indispensable tool for professionals navigating complex environments. Furthermore, its real-time mapping and 3D scanning capabilities might make it invaluable for industries like construction, agriculture, and public safety. The introduction of swappable payloads further underscores DJI's commitment to versatility. This feature could enhance repairability and future-proof the drone, making it a long-term investment for users demanding cutting-edge performance. Optional add-ons such as thermal cameras or LiDAR modules might be available, expanding the Mavic 4 Pro's utility across various industries. Building on the success of the Air 3, the DJI Air 4 is rumored to push the boundaries of versatility and performance. Leaked images and reports suggest a sleeker design and advanced features aimed at both hobbyists and professionals. The Air 4's camera system is expected to include dual 1-inch sensors for wide-angle and telephoto lenses, delivering exceptional image quality and low-light performance. A rumored mechanical shutter could further enhance its capabilities, reducing rolling shutter distortion and making it ideal for high-speed photography or aerial mapping. Enhanced zoom capabilities might also allow users to capture distant subjects with incredible detail, broadening its appeal to wildlife photographers and surveyors alike. Flight technology is another area of anticipated improvement. Enhanced 360-degree obstacle avoidance, powered by advanced AI algorithms, could make the Air 4 one of the safest and most intuitive drones in its class. Improved transmission systems might offer extended range and greater signal stability, ensuring reliable performance even in challenging conditions. Additionally, a redesigned propulsion system could improve maneuverability, enabling smoother flights in windy environments. Battery life is speculated to surpass the Air 3's impressive 46-minute flight time, thanks to larger capacity batteries and optimized power management. This extended endurance would benefit users working on time-sensitive projects or capturing expansive landscapes. Furthermore, the inclusion of smart energy-saving modes could extend operational time without compromising performance. Positioned as a mid-tier drone, the Air 4 could appeal to a broad audience, from enthusiasts seeking advanced features to professionals needing a reliable tool for creative or commercial applications. Its competitive pricing and potential for bundle options could further solidify its appeal, especially if paired with accessories like upgraded controllers or ND filter kits. As DJI prepares to unveil its 2025 lineup, the industry is abuzz with excitement. Each drone, from the beginner-friendly Flip to the professional-grade Mavic 4 Pro, represents a unique blend of innovation and practicality, catering to diverse user needs. Whether you're a first-time pilot or a seasoned professional, DJI's upcoming releases promise to elevate the drone experience to new heights. While these details remain speculative until official announcements, the potential advancements outlined here underscore DJI's commitment to pushing the boundaries of drone technology. CES 2025 could mark a pivotal moment in the evolution of aerial innovation, and DJI's new lineup is set to be at the forefront of this exciting journey.